everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. If this is your first time watching any of my videos, my name is Angeline and I am the owner of Angelic Creations. And what I decided to do is start off the new year with a sewing video. Yes, today is Monday, but going forward I will post a sewing tutorial which will be called Sew Sundays around 3 p.m. or 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Expect a sewing tutorial from me. So let's get started with the materials that you're going to need in order to create your headband, okay? So I have already cut my piece off camera, which measures 20 inches width and 5 inches with the height. And I have already pinned my pieces together. As you can see, the pins are here, and I sandwich my two pieces together, right sides facing each other. You want to make sure that your right sides are facing each other, okay? So again, all you need is your sewing machine, your pins, and your stretch fabric, something that's stretched like this, okay? So let's get over to the sewing machine. So I'm sorry, I thought I hit record, but I did not. But all I've done so far is just created my zigzag stitch, as you can see here. And I have the Brothers machine, and here are my stitching levels and the different stitches that you can place on your material. So all I've done is place mine on a number 4, which is a zigzag stitch. Your sewing machine may look a little different, so just check your manual if you are a little confused. But if you have this sewing machine, all I did was use stitching zigzag number 4, okay? So all I did so far was just create a zigzag stitch going straight down. Okay, we have completed our first step, and the next step will be to turn your fabric right side facing out, which I have already done, with my seam placed in the center. This is your seam, which is placed in the middle, okay? So what you're going to do is place your two pieces right sides facing each other with our seams on the outside, like so. And you want to take the piece that's facing in front of you, right in front of you, which will be this piece here for me, and you're going to place it in the center where the seam is. This edge shall be placed by the center, okay? So I place it in the middle, and we're going to wrap this in the front. And remember, we have this in here. We're going to wrap that in the back. And now you should have something that looks like this, okay? Next step will be to create a zigzag stitch going straight across here. We are back at our sewing machine for the very last step. Using the same zigzag stitch, we're going to create a zigzag stitch going straight across here. You're going to make sure you straight stitch, and then you're going to zigzag, and then you're going to back stitch with the zigzag. Okay, so you make sure that you're locking in your stitching, and you're going to keep going all the way until you get to the other side. And once you get to your other side, you are going to make sure that you back stitch. Okay guys, we are done. This is the finished look after you have done your zigzag stitch going straight across. But last step, sorry, I know I said that was the last step, but this will be the last step technically. So what you want to do is hide these zigzag stitches in the center, okay, so that you cannot see them. And once you place them in the center, you will have something that looks like this. So I have tucked my raw edges in the middle on the other side, and you cannot see. Okay? And let me give you all a visual of how it will look. I have my mannequin head here, and this is how it will look. Let me fix it up a little bit. Okay. This is the back, and this will be your front. Okay, so let me know if you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave them down in the description box, and be expecting more videos on Sunday. You all have a good one. Bye.